So we'll start with question 4th. In triangle ABC, angle A is to angle B is equal to 3:4 and angle C is equal to 40 degrees. Calculate angle A. So angle A is to angle B. Ratios are given. The actual values are not given, but the ratios are given. And of angle C, actual value is 40 degrees. So we can consider angle A and angle B as 3x and 4x. So 3x plus 4x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Solution. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. In place of angle A and angle B, 3x and 4x, we'll put 3x and 4x, 3x plus 4x plus angle C is 40, which is equal to 180. So 3x plus 4x is nothing but 7x plus 40 is equal to 180. We'll take this 40 to the right hand side. So plus 40 will become minus 40. 7x is equal to 180 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. 7x is equal to 140. So x is equal to 140 upon 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 zeros are 0. That means x is equal to 20 degrees. What will be angle A? Angle A is nothing but 3x. So 3x is nothing but 3 into 20, which is equal to 60 degrees. So we have calculated angle A. Rest angle BA is not asked. So we'll conclude here the fourth question. Let's move on to next question. Question 5. In triangle ABC, 4 angle A is equal to 6 angle B is equal to 12 angle C. Calculate angle B. So 4 angle A is equal to 6 angle B is equal to 12 angle C. So we don't have individual angles, but they are with the coefficients. So what we will do is we'll consider this is equal to a constant, that is K. So let 4 angle A is equal to 6 angle B is equal to 12 angle C, which is equal to K. So individually angle A is equal to K by 4, angle B is equal to K by 6 and angle C is equal to K by 12. So we know that the sum of the three internal angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. In place of angle A, angle B and angle C, we will write K by 4 plus K by 6 plus K by 12, which is equal to 180 degrees. So the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 is nothing but 12. 4 3s are 12, 3 into K, 3K plus 6 2s are 12, 2 into K is 2K plus 12 into 1 is 12, 1 into K is 1K, which is equal to 180. 3K plus 2K plus K is nothing but 6K upon 12, which is equal to 180. So K is equal to, either you can take this 12 this side and then simplify, or you can simplify it here simply as 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So K is equal to 180 into 2. 2 will go to the right hand side. It will get multiplied. So K is equal to 2 into 180. 2 into 180 is nothing but 360. Now we have to find what is asked. Calculate angle B. So what is angle B? Angle B is nothing but K by 6. That means 360 upon 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 36, 6 zeros are 0. That is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 60 degrees. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन 5. थैंक यू सो मच.